Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve worksheet 38 of subject Social Science. It is for class 6. Here you need to write your name and here your class teacher's name. Today's date is 2 December 2021. We will study about the topic local government's income sources. In the previous video, we studied about what services these local governments provide. Now we will see what are their income sources. Of course, for providing service, they need income, they need money. So that is how they will be able to provide us the services. Local governments do many things like maintenance of land records, construction and maintenance of public facilities in rural areas, and urban administration is necessary to provide the basic amenities like street lights, garbage collection, water supply, etc. But the question arises here that from where money comes to do all these works. Yes, it is right that if we have to provide water supply, if we have to maintain the street lights and keep land records, maintain public facilities like transport, etc., etc., these all require the government money. Now, from where do the money come, okay, for all of this work? So we will study about that. So here we have sources of funds for the panchayat. We will see about the sources of funds, that means income sources of panchayat, which is the rural local government. So first, the local government in rural areas. So first is collection of taxes on houses, market places, etc. Now, as you can see, we rent house. In the market, some people rent shops, etc. So the collection of the money for all these things is one of their source. Second source, government scheme funds received through various departments of the government through the Janpad and Jila Panchayats. So now government releases schemes, as we have studied in the previous worksheet, that they release the different schemes for employment and etc. So some money, not some money, but a lot of money is given for that scheme by the Zilla Panchayats. Okay, so that money is also one of the source of funds for the panchayat. And third one is donations for community works. Okay, so these are also some of the sources. Now, sources of funds for the municipal corporation, that is the local government of the urbanized areas. So first is the municipal corporation collects taxes on houses, water, entertainment, parking, etc. to earn money. So like houses, of course we are renting houses, living in governmental houses. Water, the water service. Entertainment, like different shows which are held, their sets, shooting sets, and sometimes ceremonies and other things as well. And parking, of course we park our vehicles, etc. So these also fetch the municipal corporation money. Next, second one, it takes fees, fines, royalty, profit, interest, user charges like sanitation and sewerage charges, etc. So there are different charges applied in a city, like fees, it takes fines, royalty, and it takes profit, interest, and like user changes like the sanitation, okay, and also the sewerage charges like the sewage charges, okay. And the third source is it also gets some grants from the government. So some of the money is also given from the state government for fulfilling the pocket of the municipal corporation. Now we have some questions. So question 1, what are the sources of income of rural administration or panchayat? So first, collection of taxes on houses, markets, places, etc. Same you have to write, which is written over here. You can see first one here, okay. Second one was government scheme funds received through various departments of the government through the Janpad and Zilla Panchayats. Third is donation for the community works. Question 2, what are the sources of income of urban administration or municipality? So the points which are given here are The municipal corporation collects taxes on houses, water, entertainment, parking, etc. to earn money. It takes fees, fines, royalty, profit, interest, user charges like sanitation and sewerage charges, and it also gets some grants from the government. I told you state government also gives some money to these municipal corporation. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.